Welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing wonders of tomatoes. A single tomato can provide about 40% of the daily recommended minimum of vitamin C. What's more, tomatoes supply vitamin A, which supports immunity, vision, and skin health. Vitamin K, which is good for your bones, and potassium, a key nutrient for heart function, muscle contractions, maintaining a healthy blood pressure and fluid balance. Benefits of tomatoes includes: Number 1. They protect heart health. Tomatoes contain an antioxidant called lycopene, which is responsible for their red color. Research suggests that in terms of heart health benefits, it's more effective to eat tomatoes and tomato products than take lycopene supplements. Number 2. Improve your vision. Lycopene is also good for your eyes. And that's not the only protective nutrient in tomatoes, they contain lutein and beta-carotene as well. According to research, those nutrients support vision and protect against eye conditions including cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 3. Boost digestive health. The fluid and fiber in tomatoes may be helpful if you're prone to constipation. According to the USDA, one large tomato contains 6 ounces of fluid, and 1.5 grams of fiber. Just be aware that in some people, cooked tomatoes may trigger or worsen acid reflux and indigestion. Number 4. Help with diabetes management. Tomatoes may be a protective food for people with type 2 diabetes. In one study, people with diabetes who supplemented with cooked tomatoes for 30 days experienced a decrease in lipid peroxidation, a chain reaction in which salt-free radicals attack fat, leading to damage that ups the risk of heart disease. Number 5. Skin health. A 2011 study found that the combination of tomato paste and olive oil protected against sun damage, and boosted the production of pro-collagen, a molecule that gives the skin its structure and keeps it firm and youthful. Number 6. Protect against cancer. Observational studies have found links between the superstar compound lycopene and fewer incidences of prostate, ovarian, lung, and stomach cancers. How to reap all the nutrients of tomatoes. You can incorporate tomatoes into your diet in a number of forms: fresh, dried, or as sauce, salsa, or paste. This also allows you to enjoy tomatoes year-round. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.